going on YouTube? It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 1 Crimson Tints that released today. Was able to pick these up this morning. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. As you guys can see, we got an Air Jordan 1. I don't know if my lighting is picking up really good, man. Everybody knows these are pink. So I'm trying to, like, you know, the lighting, I try to make it dark in the back to give you more lighting in the front. But I don't know, man. For some reason, I'm not picking it up too good. But more or less, that's more or less how the color is right there. So if you guys can see that, it's like a lightish pinkish, creamish color. You know what I mean? But all around, I think the shoe is dope, man. Let's stop talking. Let's get straight into these babies right here. Starting off, does come in your typical Jordan 1 box. Nothing special at all. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is black crimson tint white. Inside your box, your regular white paper, and that is about it. Let's get straight into it. Front of the toe box, as you can see, got a nice smooth leather in the front. It's not tumble in that crimson tint. You got your Nike Air on the tongue. Front of the toe, man, look at the leather on the front. Look at that. Leather is bananas, man, and it's really soft. Look when I push down. Does come with 3 sets of laces. Some green laces, some crimson tint laces with the green lace tips with the black laces. Alright, I'm just gonna leave the black. Let's get over here, take a look at that midsole. As you can see, you got white on the midsole that goes around the whole shoe. We got the swoosh in that crimson tint. Air Jordan right there, blacked out with the basketball in the wing. Now this part right here where all this black is, just look at that leather, guys. Leather is tumble as fuck. Look at that. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your crimson tint all throughout the back. Your swoosh in the crimson tint with your nice black tumble leather in the middle and in the front of the toe box with the white on the midsole. Now over here, it's nice and plush. You can see when I push in, leather's real nice, man. I must say, it's different. It's different. And yeah, I think they did a good job with this. They did a really good job. You got a pink inner sole with the Nike Air in that green. I don't know where that green came from, to be honest with you, but hey, back of the shoes, take a look. Now back here, man, look at the leather on the upper of that shoe. Look at that. And when you push it in, man, it got a nice plushness to it. Real soft. And yeah, if you're going to pick these up, I definitely recommend for sizing, go true to size. On Jordan 1s, I'm a size 9, and they fit perfect. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go true to size. You'll be good to go. Take a look at that bottom. Got the Nike, all crimson tinted out in the bottom. All right. Yeah, man. Gave you guys a quick look at these Air Jordan 1s that released today, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, man. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Enough talking, man. I'm going to give you guys this quick on feet. Let's get straight to it. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.